Good morning, trash bucket. It's flea market time. Get your butt up. It's time to rise, dearie. We must get breakfast and urinate on the lawn. Okay, kids, it's that time of the day. We're off to the flea market. It took Tyler a minute to get up, which I was surprised because normally that kid is up like 4 hours before me. But today, nope. Today he was sleeping like a little child, nestled in his crib that had to be woken uncomfortably. Tyler, is there something you're going to be looking for today? Specifically?
I'm going to be looking for ways to make more money than you so you can buy the margaritas at the end of the day.
Okay, all right. I am excited to show you guys what we find, and we're going to take you along for the ride, so stay tuned. Thank you very much. You too, thank you. He was just on the cover of GQ last week. Can you believe it? Oh yeah, no, there's no way anybody would ever pay him to do anything like that. I mean, look at this. Oh my gosh, thank you very much. Bye. What'd you get? What is this?
Your ears, and we're gonna time it to make sure.
Wait, this is like a doctor thing? No. Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
I never would have looked at this. How much was it?
30.
Oh my gosh. And then what is this?
On the Seiko chronograph.
Oh, that's nice.
It's in great shape. It's probably broken, but I don't care.
Sweet, dude. That's awesome. I got a Coca-Cola Light.
Classic.
That's all going to start dripping on all your stuff.
It's so heavy, though.
Yeah, it's in rough shape, but I think like something I kind of want to take a risk on.
Should we offer 70?
Yeah.
Really?
We're not there.
Would you do 70 on it?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay. Cool. Cool. Awesome. We'll take it. Yeah, Filson's a good brand. Like it's good quality.
Oh, they're so good.
Or is it?
All right.
All the pieces are here?
Let's count.
Oh, all 15. Yeah, 15 and 15.
Okay, cool.
I
Yeah, I
counted
think-
them out, checked them out. Even look at these. I love when they get that. I don't know if it's like a patina built up.
Yeah.
But it's just a really cool thing when those little older kind of ivory ones.
Yeah, it's cool.
Ivory type.
Thank you for doing 60 on that.
Oh, you're
for
very
us.
welcome. Thank you, though.
Thanks again. Thank you, my friend.
I gotta fill in the space. All right.
It's a good problem to have, right?
Move the roosters out.
This is actually really crazy.
These are
These are very
cool.
together made.
I like that there's a pair too.
Yeah. I don't know what they are, but they're very interesting.
How much are these?
100 for that.
Woo!
Only.
Oh, the pins with okay.
It's a very nice.
How much is your letters box?
Oh, it's him.
How much? 100?
This is good.
It's pretty cool.
This is very good.
Yeah.
There's no break-in or nothing.
Cool.
I had to get it, you guys. I couldn't not. It's too cool.
Okay. No, we're good. I'll just pick up a cart here.
What'd you get?
Machinist. Measuring tools.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I support the community.
This is very much the end of the day, and people are packing up at a rapid rate of speed, so we're just trying to make some last-minute deals.
How many people talked to you about it before?
I've always wanted one of these. A metal detector.
Yeah, I know.
Because I feel like I really want to go treasure hunting, but also I feel like it would be one of those things I'd invest like thousands of dollars in metal detecting gear and do it like twice.
You're not wrong.
And then never do it again. So we finally got back from this insane flea market, and now the difficult task is going to be going through everything and kind of figuring out whose stuff belongs to who. And we're just going to show you some of our favorite things. And the really cool part about this trip is Tyler, who's drinking, he's indulging in a self-made margarita. So anyways, today we're going to go through some of our favorite things and show you guys some of our favorite finds from the day. Can you not? We're just gonna start with a couple of things that I even have questions about. So, first things first, Tyler, tell the kids at home about this. I just dropped a freaking $100 watch, I think. I didn't know things were in here.
Yes.
Okay, tell us about this. Why?
That's like a super collectible old like BMX helmet. The one you want to look for is this Moto 4, and it says Force Flow right there by my thumb.
And that's what makes it valuable?
And for whatever reason, that people like the Force Flow. And this also has the original visor, which is hard to come by.
What'd you pay? Talk to us.
I paid $85, and I think it will go for about $200.
What? Okay, now I'm going to show you guys one of mine that I really liked. This is very cool. I actually really like these things. It's a vintage textile, and it's all beaded, and then it's got these really cool glass jewels on it. And so this is what's called a kalaga. And they make these in Thailand and Burma. So these are actually kind of a cool thing. And I like the size of this, and I actually like the detailing on it. So that one I was kind of excited about, and I only paid $40 for it. I love these old backgammon sets, and anytime you can find the Bakelite backgammon sets, it's just a good day. They have this, it's kind of hard to see in the light because it's so bright, but it's got a lot of really good swirling to the colors. The red you can kind of see a little bit better. But these are great. They're good size, good thick tile. I was kind of excited about this one. Tell us about this. What do we have here?
This is Filson. Everything is extremely high quality, super thick duck cloth canvas and really nice leathers, and it's all made in the USA. Filson's based up in Seattle. You can kind of pay a lot of money for them usually, especially if they're in good shape.
They were asking $150, and we got them down to $70 on that. How do you know it's a Filson?
It's stamped in the front here, and it's kind of hard to see because it's in the leather.
Oh yeah,
but
sure
there's
enough.
a stamp there. And if you look at the little padlock here, it's even stamped Filson. You just got to check the hardware and the leathers and stuff.
I actually really like how the leather looks. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I actually got another really cool tapestry that I'm kind of digging. This would have been from West Africa, and it's from the Sanufo people, and they do these insane hand-painted mud cloth tapestries, and so each one is going to be completely unique, one of a kind, but they all have like a really awesome look to them. And this one's great. It's a really good size. This is one of my last finds of the day for $20. So I was super excited about that one. The ear thing. Who buys used ear things? Yeah. Let's hear about this. This thing rocks my mind. What do you even call that?
So it's an otoscope, OTO scope.
Okay.
But they're made by this company called Welch Allen. It's this super old medical device company. They have this logo on the front of these black cases. I see these everywhere. I get them all the time. But they have the little ear inspection tool. And so this one's actually missing a few pieces, but I got it cheap enough that I don't care. I'll still kind of do okay on it. Every time I get these, I get a couple $100 for them all day long, and it's always real doctors that buy them to use in their practice. They sell rechargeable batteries for these still, so when you buy these, you can pop the back off and check to make sure there's no battery corrosion or anything like that. And in some cases, you can replace the battery on it.
I am on a new mission right now.
I've never paid more than like $30 for them at estate sales and garage. I see them all the time.
Well, you guys, this was so much fun. I have to say I am exhausted. It was a very long day, a very hot day. The sun is just like beating down on us for hours and hours and hours. So I am going to clean up this mess and we are going to call it a day. But tomorrow we're actually going to be going to some epic antique shops in the area, and we're going to see what kind of stuff we can find, and we are going to take you guys along for the ride. So make sure you tune into the next video for that. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.